We were sent this door lock and handle kit here, and it is very easy to be able to put together. First off, the instructions are very easy to follow. Being able to install the lock, very easy as well. If you've done a door lock before, this one will be just as simple as doing any other deadbolt lock. Or if you haven't before, the instructions are so clear on how to make that happen. You'll make it a breeze as well. Out of the box, it comes with a factory setting for auto locking. So after just a couple seconds, it'll auto lock itself. We'll let it go here as I'm explaining it. This door handle, really great quality, great feel to it. Easy to be able to turn. There you go. There's the lock, and it also has the audible lock as well. You can turn that off. The instructions are really clear on how to do that. I'm gonna go through, just show some of the basic stuff, just because the instruction booklet is so clear that really anybody can do this. It is that easy. So kudos to the manufacturer for making that happen. All right, on the back side here is the battery cover. It does require 4 AA batteries, so just make sure that you have those available. There's a reset button right here, very clearly identified on it. You'll press that to be able to add users. I already put in my user on here, so I'm gonna go through and I'm just gonna show you how to add the fingerprint to it too.
Add a user, authentication administrator.
Now, I'm not gonna show you what my password is, but I'll enter it here.
Add administrator, please enter your fingerprint or password.
And now I can go through, and for the fingerprint, you just push this pad here.
Please press your finger. Please press your finger. Please press your finger.
It asks you 5 times.
Added successfully. Number 0.
There we go. So I've done a couple of my fingers to be able to test that out. So you can do thumbs, you can do fingers, you know, you can do multiple people on here, and that will help you to be able to unlock it. So you can see if you're not giving it a really firm press or just halfway on the button, then it won't work properly. But as soon as I did it centered on the button, then it works great. And then you can enter in your codes as well on here. As I said, the instructions in here are so easy to be able to make that happen. You can change the volume if you don't want the sound. You can have it to where you turn off the auto locking. You can have it in passage mode where it won't lock again until after the next locking mode has happened. So passage, like you're having a party or an event and you want to just temporarily turn that off, you can just temporarily turn that off. It also has an app for you to be able to go through, and you can open and close it via the app. So a lot of great features on how to make this happen. Super easy to follow instruction booklet. We love this. It matches the house here. We did a little home renovation to bring this all together, and I know you're gonna love it as well.